Yeah, welcome to today's Plumbers of Data Science episode. Today we are going to look into Udemy. I want to do some online courses, and I don't know if this is the thing, or Udemy is the site for doing courses, for creating online resources, because right now I only have the cookbook, and I want to reach more people. I want to talk to more people, show more people what is going on with data engineering and how they can get into data engineering. And so, yeah, let's continue here. Um, so I've been looking into um, getting more into online courses. I'm going to start with a lot of free courses, or I want to create a lot of free courses, and then when we go in the skills higher, then maybe make some monetized ones. I don't really have a strategy right now. I need to check out what is basically what's possible here. I haven't done a online course, so this is new for me. I have done some from basically from someone else, but not my own. I never created one. So I think this might be interesting. Udemy, I have prepared a bit, but I only just before the stream, the only thing I did was I created a profile, and yeah, basically nothing more. And I pushed a few buttons that I can create new courses, but this was super easy. How was that called? Just become a creator or something. Just a button, and then I had access to my profile. So this is the standard page that you have, and when I now go into when I click on my name here, um, then I can go to. I have those communication performance tools. Performance is basically for measuring how your course is doing and so on, and how many students are enrolled, I guess. And then you have the courses. Jump into the course creation, and then you can create a course. Create your first course. I would say a course helps students prepare for certification exams by providing practice questions. Create a rich learning experience with the help of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, and etc. Let's do this. Oh, continue. How about working title? Data engineering basics or something. Sebastian says Udemy is a good option. You have high quality content like Kafka courses by Stefan Marek, and other courses not that good, but prices are low and they have a good money back guarantee. Yeah, the thing is, I'm not looking to get rich on courses here. What I basically want to do is I want to boil the streams down, and we have started like 3 projects. We have the Spark Week. We have the what I call online course, where we do the hands-on with Twitter data and NiFi and so on. And then the standard, the third option is the standard data engineering basics. I'm guessing, or I would say. So this is basically what I'm thinking where I can go, and I want to have them free, and I want to reach more people and show more people about data engineering. Yeah, Nick says Frank Kane is my superhero. Check his courses on Udemy. I have heard a lot about him. Yeah, I don't want to. The goal here would be not to get into basically the way of the stuff that Frank is doing. I don't want to do stuff twice or so. Let's see how this goes. I don't know. I haven't really. I only saw previews of his course. Um, no. Sebastian, this is not instead of YouTube. This is as well as YouTube. So that I have basically I have online courses that are boiled down versions of the YouTube videos or a series of YouTube videos. I'm doing YouTube. I'm doing social media and everything. And the cookbook, of course. The cookbook is going to stay. This is just a addition to basically when you search on data engineering in Udemy, that my free courses come up and people are getting introduced, and basically then uh, I can get them to the cookbook and to the YouTube and so on. So this is not to make big money here. Alexander says Udemy is a great option. Yeah. Also, there are no high quality courses on data engineering in Spark and some real world example projects. Yeah, this is something that I have seen on Udemy, and I want to fill this gap. And I think this is a real gap, and this can be filled, and I can fill them. It might take some time, but let's just get started here. Yeah, data engineering content overall is quite not that very often available. Many courses talk about are the old big data courses and so on, but let's see where this goes. So let's call this just data engineering basics. Category. Choose a. Can I zoom this in for you guys? No. IT and software. There's no wrong answer. How much time can you spend creating the course per week? I have no idea. 2 to 4 hours. I don't want to have any help from you guys. I know. Okay. No, I don't need help choosing a microphone. Goodbye. What is this? Plan your course. Target your students. Course structure. Set up and test video. Create your content. Curriculum. Captions. Okay, let's go here. So what will the basics of data engineering? What will students learn? Are there any course requirements, precautions? Nope. Or let's say computer science and data. Or computer science basics. Let's call it basics. Target students. Learners. Don't know. Let's go on. Submit for review. Okay. Let's just save this. Course structure. Okay. So the first thing here that seems quite nice is that you have your basically a path that you need to go. Target your students, course structure. Of course, you're going to edit this stuff maybe 3, 4, 5 times. This is completely normal. Create an outline, introduce yourself. What is this saying? Plan your course carefully. Okay, clear learning path for students. Help. Once you film, create an outline. Five lectures. I think this is just okay, you need to have this. Don't know. Oh, okay, this is the planning phase. Make a studio. I already have all this. Be creative. Good. We have this. Create your content. Now it's getting interesting. Where can I create something? What? Huh? Okay, here I can set the okay, this is okay. This is how this is set up. Okay, so the first time you're going to get into the details is here, curriculum. Curriculum, section 1. Can I add here sections? How can I add sections? Okay, no. Okay. Section 2. Then I can add here lectures, quiz, coding exercise, lecture. Okay. Blah. Lecture. Okay. And then just section. Let's just test this. Lecture 2.0. Okay. Content. Select the main type of content. Files, links can be added as resources. Okay. Video and slide mashup. That makes sense. Article or only video. What I like from I don't know if if any one of you has done the Coursera course from Andrew Ng. What I liked is basically this how he wrote with the pen and sketched everything. And so what I'm thinking as well, what I would need here is just video, because I would do everything here on the screen. I would create like presentations, like the writing, the handwriting stuff, and so on. This how's this called? The doodling. I would do this all in video and then add this here. Okay. Then I can add something. Add a video. Let's just add something. Let me just select something. What can I go? Something small. Something small. Something small. Do I have a small video? Documents, downloads. This is a small one. Okay, this was the Azure. Something different. Okay, let's take something small. It's just I'm going to not let you guys look into this size. What's it called? 55. Podcast number 55. Oh, man. Here are they. Okay, more. Yeah, okay. Here's it. Choose. Okay. Okay, so I just chose something that wasn't that big, so there was only a 2.5 minute video. Mhm. Let's see if I can write something to this, or if this is then another lecture. Let's create here content article. Okay. Video and slide mashup. Okay, then I can synchronize it. Okay, doesn't matter. This is way too complicated to synchronize stuff. It's always, thing. Yeah. Nick said Frank Kane has a lot of courses on Udemy. So I researched it. Nick, what do you think? How close is he to the stuff we're doing here on this channel? How? Yeah. Is this super close to what I do? Or is he focused more on specific things or something? I have, as I said, I have no idea. I never um I never visited one of his lectures or did any of his courses. I don't know how to say this perfectly. Um, yeah, or anyone else, if you have a experience with this. Okay, he's making Spark courses. Oh, okay. Pulled back his message. Yeah, okay. Okay, so is he? Because when I searched for him, let's just while this is uploading, Frank Kane. I searched for him before, and okay, 112 results. Okay, then he's doing a lot of courses. Okay, because ultimate hands-on Hadoop is not interesting. Data science deep learning not interesting. Spark 2 with Scala, that makes sense. I don't know. 20 plus hands-on lectures of analyzing large data sets with Spark on your desktop or on Hadoop. That's interesting. Spark, Python, AWS, recommender taming, big data, Spark streaming, Scala hands-on. Computer vision, building serverless apps. Yeah. The thing that, and this is where I'm not 100% sure. Okay, I would do a few free courses for the basics. Then the other thing is what is basically what is the unique thing that we can do here, and this is for me it's more or less also what I think what we could do is more architecture stuff and basically the whole how does it all fit together, because only looking into single technologies like Spark for a data engineer, that doesn't make sense. You need to know more, and basically what is it, how do you try the stuff out, and I think these are the differentiators between the stuff Frank is doing. I don't know why this looks different here. Bestsellers. Python, Big Data, Spark, all levels. Yeah, maybe this is basically the way here to go. Alexander says courses are good, but I think it is not detailed enough, and you can't say that you are proficient at specific technology after his courses. But it's a good as a starting point. Yeah, this is what people are always confusing courses for. Courses don't give you even if you get a certificate that says basically nothing. What you need to do after the courses, they are a starting point, like the cookbook. They're a starting point, and from this point on, you can go out and you can do stuff yourself and try stuff out and basically show what you can, and yeah, make this show your profile, build a professional profile. The stuff that I told you with the Plumbers of Data Science Medium publication, you can send your articles there, and yeah, and we have it online. Okay, then you can add a description. Okay, so include what students will. Okay, what can I do here with the resources? Okay. Yeah, so I could basically, what I like from Coursera is that you have a description where everything that is being said is transcribed, and you can just go over and find everything. Let's make a preview here. Preview as student. Just a second.
Run data warehouse look. I found this on Azure. This is something very interesting.
Okay. Okay, and let's see more description. What happens when we put here a really huge text? Let's quickly go to my site and take a article. What's this? Okay, this is just from podcast notification. Man, these old things, they're funny. Can I scroll down here? Let's just take all the text here. Can we copy this in here? Okay, that doesn't work. Can I do a copy paste on my own web page or what? Okay. Save. Close. So this would be the whole thing. Preview this as a student. What? Where's the text gone?
Yes. How does
Yeah. All right, Andreas. Do I need to save this thing? No. Hmm? Okay, here's everything. Preview, student. Strange. Huh? That's strange. Why is then there this? Why is this there? If you very strange. Okay. I have no idea. Okay, but this is basically how this stuff works. And then you can make multiple lectures here. Lecture 2, where you can add just an article. We could, for instance, add this here. Come on. It should still be in the buffer, but let's lecture 2 article. Boom, 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 boom. Man, why doesn't that work? Okay. Save. Preview as a student. This is the video.
yes?
Yes. Huh?
Yes. How does the
What? Proceed? Oh, okay, here's the save button. Man. Okay, it's so for the introduction. Okay. So you can read an article. Okay. I don't understand what's the point of having this description here? What's the point if you don't see it anywhere? I have no idea. Okay. That's interesting. So should we start with a data engineering, or should I start with the data engineering basics course? I'm thinking what I could do is I could use some stuff from the cookbook. Basically start like this, data scientist, data engineer, like from the last stream, and then go over basically some networking stuff and security, and then look into how a data platform looks, basically like the blueprint that I did. And one thing that because what I like is this setup that you have or that you're getting an idea. Let me just go to the Where's the blueprint? So the blueprint I did a long time ago. This basically shows you these phases, or these blocks you have to ingest. This is where you would have a message queue like Kafka or something. Then you have a storage where you could do S3 or whatever, Hadoop. Then you have analytics frameworks and something to display. And what I would find interesting is to basically show people a path. Where are the different types of systems? Where's Spark here? Where's Kafka? Where's Kinesis? Where is DynamoDB? Where would you use Cassandra? What are the data marts? Where would be a normal SQL database, or a SQL database, or an API? So people can understand which areas there are and where they should focus on getting a few skills in these areas. Because I think you should have a few skills here in the whole blueprint. And not only Spark, because that helps you basically nothing. Yeah. Don't know. Maybe let me know what you think. I'm thinking this could be a good way of showing people a way into data engineering. Maybe this. Because yes, the basics are important. But this is something you can look up into in the cookbook. I don't want to go any more into Hadoop, because Hadoop can be mentioned, but Hadoop is no longer this popular, since the cloud basically has taken over for this many use cases, and also the hype is over, the Hadoop hype. Okay. Let's do it this way. Check out the comment section and let me know in the comment section what you think. What course are you looking for? What's the course that you think, man, I could really use regarding data engineering? Is it a basic course? Is it a advanced course or an expert course? And what would be something that interests you and that you would love to see on Udemy? And then I'm going to look into this, and we maybe talk about this next time. Yeah. Okay. So I want to keep these streams short. So Udemy is interesting. It's basically what I have seen from Coursera. It's more or less the same thing. They have a lot of eyeballs on them, so this might be a good way to start a course, or a good platform. And I'm going to try to create a curriculum, and I'm going to keep you updated where this is going. Yeah. All right. Thanks for being here. It's interesting. It's always interesting to look into new stuff. What's happening? What are the options that you can use? Yeah. Alexander agrees, and I think this is the main thing that is missing all over the internet. It's not only for data engineering; it's also for data science in general. People always focus on specific tools, specific ways of analyzing data, or so on, and you never see the big picture. And I don't know why you never see the big picture, or people try to show you the big picture. I don't know. It's basically what I have tried. This is why I started to do also the case studies that you can find in the cookbook, because or on the YouTube channel, because these things show you a bit the big picture and why are people doing this. So yeah. Simon says, I would like basics, focusing less on technology and more on application. Yeah. Because the more I think about it, basically a data engineering course, we could make it basic and advanced, and that help you, basically help you to create these types of or to these types of platforms to create a data engineering, or not with specific tools like Spark, but in general. When do you select something? How, in which cases does it make sense to go this or that route, to go on-premise, to go cloud? What's the difference there? Is it pricing or not? Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm trying to get more focus in this whole, because everything this stuff is going to flow also in the cookbook, into the cookbook. So it's not going to stay there in the course. So what I'm always trying is to also with these streams, to make it more focused, to find a pattern or a way to go somewhere. It's hard to describe. I don't want to do everything and nothing, and to make it as interesting as possible for everyone. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for the feedback. Check out the comment section. Please put something in the comments what you would like to see after the stream. Hit the like button, and also, if you like all this and you want to support, check out my webpage, andreaskretz.com. You can also go to plumbersofdatascience.com, and there you have the link to the cookbook, and there also you have the links to support me, either on Patreon with a monthly subscription, monthly support, or a one-time support through PayPal Me, or SuperChats here on YouTube with the live streaming. Or if you want to buy something from Amazon, you can just go through my link and buy something you like, and doesn't have to be on my profile, and then I'm getting a small commission, and this helps the stream, this helps the course. I'm going to be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'm thinking I'm going to do a recap of what we have done in the Spark week, and then advance in the Spark week for tomorrow, because this is fun. This was totally fun for me, and it's also interesting for me to learn new stuff and try out new stuff. So yeah, see each other tomorrow. And yeah, by the way, I'm on Facebook. I'm getting back on Facebook. I haven't posted on Facebook a long time, but you can also find me on Facebook, and my page on Facebook. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.